That much.
Oh.
You know what this one is called, Tito?
It's
Called pain in the ass.
Let's do the other one.
I have to. God made you with two sides. We can't just do the one. Otherwise I have to press here. If you don't let me press there, I must press here to loosen this one.
Yes. Hey.
You see now, you're tightening the butt. Okay, there we go. Finish. How bad was that, Tingo?
But
No, it wasn't bad, man. Come on. Relax, relax. Let go of the leg. Let go. Don't help. Let go. That was a good one, huh? You see, but you don't mean it. On your side now. I'm not gonna kill you. Promise.
hey.
Other way. A Y strap, but we don't use a Y strap.
No, but the process of
It's a decompression of the spine. So we're going to decompress the entire spine. So it's going to be, if we get all three vertebrae, or all 33, sorry, then it's going to be 3.3 inches, 3.3 centimeters taller.
Okay.
Right. There we go.
How was it?
You have to lay down. Are you okay? Don't worry, you're not paralyzed.
Yes.
Hold the toes. Here we go. Safe. Not that. You know what? In the 35 years that I've been doing this,
35 years.
I've been trying to break someone's neck like that. It's not possible.
Mm.
Do you know what they used to do when they gave you the death penalty in the old days? They used to read your sentence and they say, you will be hanged by the neck until you are dead. Do you know what that means? It means your neck will not break. You're going to die of strangulation. Because if your neck breaks, you're dead.
Right.
So you're going to fall 6 meters with a rope around your neck. You're going to stop this far from the ground and your neck ain't going to snap.
Wow.
That's how difficult it is.
Okay, so the neck is very...
Very strong. Okay, so don't worry. Did you do you side to side like a beginner? Stop it. How do you feel now?
You're feeling good, ne? It's like immediately you
Everything
like,
loosens up.
yeah, it loosens up, all the muscles loosens up.
Okay, give him your phone. I've still got one more click left.
Okay.
For you, give him your phone, let him...
Oh,
You're recording.
Yeah,
You
it's
can
just-
use your phone to record you.
okay, I'm on live, so...
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, just keep it.
That's your phone.
Oh, so...
Lock.
I should look there.
Yeah, lower down both hands. Here we go. Elbows on the chest. Let's turn this way. Turn, 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 turn. Okay, lay back. Lay. Breathe in and out.
Oh!
Okay.
Yeah. All right, thank you.